Preventing phone screen bleeding, tips and tricks.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing an issue that many smartphone users face, screen bleeding. Screen bleeding is when the light from your phone leaks or bleeds onto other parts of the screen, causing a disruptive glow. It can be a real nuisance, but the good news is there are steps you can take to prevent it from happening in the future.
What causes screen bleeding?
Before we dive into prevention, it's important to understand what causes screen bleeding. Generally, it's a hardware issue related to the construction of your phone's LCD, liquid crystal display. When the layers of the display aren't perfectly aligned or tightly packed, light can leak through, causing the bleeding effect.
How to prevent screen bleeding?
Now that we understand the cause, let's move on to prevention. 1. Handle with care. Firstly, it's crucial to handle your phone with care. Applying excessive pressure to the screen or dropping the device can cause damage to the LCD, increasing the chances of screen bleeding. 2. Use quality phone cases and screen protectors. Next, always use a high-quality phone case and screen protector. These can absorb shock if your phone is dropped, reducing the risk of LCD damage. Make sure your screen protector is compatible with your phone model and is made from high-quality materials. 3. Avoid extreme temperatures. Try to avoid exposing your phone to extreme temperatures. High heat or cold can cause the components of your phone, including the LCD, to expand or contract, which might lead to screen bleeding. 4. Regular servicing of your phone is another preventive measure. If you notice minor screen issues, get it checked out by a professional before it escalates into screen bleeding.
What if my screen is already bleeding?
If your screen is already bleeding, the best course of action is to visit a professional repair service. As screen bleeding is primarily a hardware issue, software fixes are usually ineffective. That wraps up our guide on preventing screen bleeding. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so handle your phone with care, use protective accessories, avoid extreme temperatures, and get regular checkups for your device. We hope these tips help you maintain a crystal clear display on your smartphone. Thanks for watching.